Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video which is about 7 reflections you can do before 2025 ends. So let's get into it. If you are wondering that what changes I can make this year, last year I made resolutions. I made some promises with myself भी कुछ मेरे से पूरा नहीं हो पाया. So maybe this video will make you confident enough to make little changes in the next year. So let's start. What did I survive this year? Ask yourself, what was the hardest part of this year for me? You don't have to explain it properly and write a story about it. No, you can do it in your journal, or you can sit and allow yourself to feel the past year, the situations, the scenarios, which whatever is coming in your mind. What was the hardest part for you this year? Say yourself that I am proud of myself for surviving this. Because you don't know how many small accomplishments you have made this year, which was actually big, but you are not thinking about it because you have some other parameters of achievements. What do I need to forgive myself for? It's very easy to forgive others. It's very easy to say that this year is ending. I want to thank all of the people who were with me, who helped me, who made me laugh, who make me learn some lessons. But it's very tough when it comes to ourselves. We are human and we are allowed to make mistakes. Just say that it's okay if I made some mistakes in the past years. Write in your journal or say to yourself that I forgive myself for this because I am a human being. I am constantly evolving. No justification, no guilt, no approval, no permission. Just allow yourself to feel and let it go. How have I changed? Write 3 sentences that you have noticed in yourself that I am not the same because be it small, be it big, whatever it is, just acknowledge that I have changed even little bit. I am gradually becoming a better version of myself. Growth doesn't need proof. It doesn't need any certification that look, I have evolved. Can I appreciate myself? Now this is my favorite part. Take a moment for yourself and thank your past version for all the things she or he have done, because if you are actually standing here, that is just because of him or her. So take a moment to thank your inner child, your past self, that she or he made it. Even if it feels awkward, just try to say or just try to write it down. You can read it once out loud. It will be very comfortable. I can say that. I have experienced it. Fifth, what do I need to let go of? Write a list. People, habits, thoughts. It could be anything which is bothering you from freeing yourself. Circle at least 1 or 2 things that you can let go this time, this month. What does success mean to me now? 12 months is a big period if you realize it. We change a lot in 1 year. Ask your definition. Ask yourself that what does successful person look like to me? You can just write it like this, that earlier success meant now success. For example, earlier successful person for me was a person who have very big balance, lots of friends, and a person who is traveling all over the world. But it has changed a bit for me now. A healthy routine, financial stability, of course, and a person who allow himself to feel all the emotions, who is not happy all the time, who is not achieving something all the time, who is not going and feeling all the joyous experience all the time. For me now, it's a person who is vibing on earth and having all the experience that a human being can feel. Seventh and last, what intention am I carrying forward? You don't have to fix your life all at once. You just need to set an intention, because everything you do, your expectation is the same, that you want to be happy or you want to be successful at last. So your intention is being successful or being happy. You are very confused. Set one intention you want to carry forward in the next year. Take a deep breath and choose one intention. It could be peace, consistency, self respect, etc. I hope these 7 reflections will give you direction, at least. It will set a guiding path for you. And if you are thinking that what will happen after doing these things, then listen. These reflections will give you a beautiful thing, which is self acceptance. If you can accept yourself, you can make changes in your life. You can start doing new things, because now you understand yourself better. You know that why you are the way you are. You are now understanding your circumstances, your mental patterns, your weakness, your strengths, your mistakes, and finally you are allowing them to feel. You are not suppressing them anymore. So this will give you self acceptance, and once you accept yourself, you are more self aware. And there is nothing more beautiful than being self aware person. You stop judging yourself, you stop judging others also. This will give you a little spark of self motivation, which is never ending. You don't need external motivation to do your daily course or to achieve your goals, because you are not self motivated person. It will set a feeling for you that it's okay, there is little hope that I can make changes in my life and I can be finally a better version of myself. This gives me immense pleasure when I sit in the night and reflect back what I went through and all these. It will make you fall in love with yourself. That's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. If this video helped you even a little bit, then please share some love in the comment section. Take care of yourself, love yourself.